I'm going to show you how to add Boomerang to your Gmail and what it can do. So I already have it, as you can see by this little symbol. You're going to go to Boomerang for Gmail. It's going to pop up. And you can literally just click add to Gmail and it's going to ask you to add this extension. I've already done it. Or you can go to the Chrome web store where you can also search for Boomerang. Boomerang does two main features. It can send an email at a designated time in the future. Here you will click add to Chrome and press allow. Or you can send an email back to yourself. So say for example I'm sending an email to someone, maybe they don't want to know that I'm working at night time, or maybe I don't want to email them at night time because I want to email them within working hours. When I've composed my email, I'm going to click send later and I can choose exactly when to send it. And I can select one of these easy options here, or I can go into here and I can click a date and a time. So say for example you are creating an RTI for a student, you might want to make that follow-up email, or some other emails that are related to your Google Doc and have them pre-done. Maybe you're someone who sends out a book of the week. You could do it, you could write all your emails in one go for the month or the term and just choose those dates. I think it's really cool. You can also boomerang it to yourself. So boomerang, just like it sounds, it means it sends it back to you. So you're going to do boomerang this in 2 days if no reply, if not clicked, if not open, or send it back regardless. So that's kind of useful if you want to just remember something you've done. You can also go into here and you can go into click here and click boomerang. So actually I'm going to send it to myself tomorrow morning. I don't want to see it for now. I don't want to deal with it now. It's gone. It's going to come back to me then. So it's not one of my worries, but it will come back. And say for example you have you suddenly realize you need to access that email, or you want to change or delete one of the emails that you had scheduled in the future. You're going to find along here you have a boomerang outbox and a boomerang return. So it's going to be really easy to change. It's pretty self-explanatory. I think it's really, really useful to have, especially when you use a feature for sending a certain time. Say, for example, you're replying to a parent's email and it's 7 o'clock at night. You don't want parents to start thinking that you work 24 hours a day, so setting it at a set time is a really good idea. Likewise, if you are off sick or you're off on a training and you're setting cover work for someone, instead of sending the students the information as you're planning it, you can set it so their cover work arrives 5 minutes before their lesson, so it's the top of their inbox.